Yes. So what I'm talking, data science related, right? So from where the data is getting generated. Before understanding of what is data science, try to understand why data is getting generated nowadays. As you say, some of the examples, right? Yeah, whatever the transactions that you are doing through online, is a Amazon website or Flipkart or Snapdeal or whatever the story. All right. So those are one kind of data is getting generated. Okay. So imagine in few years back when Geo is launched, now you know how much the people are habituated with mobiles, smartphones. Before that, so just imagine. I mean, look at this page and tell me what was your observation here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Actually, for
Okay.
15 years.
Yeah.
5 years duration and 1 year duration.
Not 5 years.
15 years.
15 years. Yes. Yes. So what does it happen? From the 15 years before you BTech joined, yeah, people are generated like the people like me and you. Long back we completed your PGs or degrees. Yeah, we used to generate the data 7, 8, 9 billion GB from the 15 years. And yeah, within the last 2, 3 years, this is up to 2017 recording. Now we are in 2020. This is the oldest one, right? So within the 2 years, we crossed those the previous record. That's all. The people will say all-time record, industry record. That movies, right? Yeah. So within these 2 years, we generate such a large amount of data. So how it has happened? Because the person who doesn't know make use of smartphone also started using the smartphone, and you know what are the different kinds of apps that we have, and every day people are coming with a new mobile app, and we are trying to show, yeah, is this useful? Yeah, let's install it. We have 64 GB of RAM and all these things in my phone, so we can install it, and yeah, we can make use of. That's how the people are doing. Either it is useful or not useful, that's the other case. But we are making installed in our mobile app, and we are making data generation. Yeah. So this is how one of the point of data generation I'm talking. One of the point. Okay. So imagine at the earlier stages, so we, I mean, 130 exabytes of data can be generated. Okay. So up to what? Until 2005. So up to 2005, we don't have that much of computers. So later, like mobile applications and all those gets increased. Now after this, see, let's say a small example. In a computer I'm talking about, letter A, if I type letter A in my system, it will take 1 byte of space. Okay. So if I have pressed 1,000 letters like a newspaper, okay, yeah, so it is now 1,000 letters, 1 kilobyte. All right. If I make it this 1,000 kilobytes, then it will become 1 megabyte. This is like a book now. So you can imagine the PDFs, whatever the material that you will save in your system contains of 1 megabytes, right? Similarly, if we repeat this 1,000 times again, it will become what? 1 gigabyte. If we repeat this 1,000 gigabytes, it will become terabyte. Like that, we will have 1 petabyte. I'm talking about one computer, 10 computers. Now imagine the things of how many computers are there in our around world. Okay, at the same time, and how many smartphones? Because smartphone is also like a mini computer. We have hard disk there, we have memories there, everything is there. So you can imagine how much of data that we are generating on day-to-day life. So that's why I'm talking. Smartphones is making us to create the data set. Of course, in the 2015-16, why it was happened? That is also one of the case. You know, the demonetization has happened. The people doesn't know how to swipe the cards, so they have understood that yeah, we need to make use of swipe cards, and we can transaction our money without cashless. Now even if you go for the key point also, what happened? You are making, yeah, Google Pay, Paytm, there are many apps are there. So everything, everywhere that you are making a data generation, that is what data. Now all these industries are, any industries, any industries, not only IT, not only IT I'm talking, all kinds of different industries are also trying to start up a company, a project itself of their own way. Able to understand? Because, yeah, what I'm talking? Yeah, because internally they are also having a lot amount of data. They are also generating a lot amount of data like this only. All right. So how to make use of this data? That is what their point. Able to understand? So data science is what? It's a mix of computer science, statistical research, a little bit of mathematics and machine learning, a little bit of data pre-processing, a little bit of domain knowledge. Domain knowledge in the sense where you're working. Imagine if you are working with a financial industry, their domain knowledge is expected. If you are working with the telecom or banking or insurance or marketing or healthcare, depends upon the industry where you are working, the domain knowledge is expected. For freshers, domain knowledge cannot be done. Anyway, when you get into the industry, yeah, it will come up by experience. But we can learn up the remaining things. We can learn up, develop the remaining things with the course. That is what I am going to do here. I don't care whether you have the statistical knowledge or not, because I am going to discuss from the scratch level. Scratch level means the 10th class. Yes, whatever the things that you have in your mindset. Little bit, did you remember anything main, median, mode? Yeah, I will talk about from there. Either you have knowledge or you don't have knowledge, I don't have. I'll discuss from there. Because I'm a statistician. I have done MSc Statistics from Usman University in 2005. So almost 13 years of industry experience, 13 to 14 years. From the last 2.5 years, 3 years, I'm training the people. So around 150 people I could have trained. So for every batch, definitely 1 or 2 people get the jobs. That is what my ratio of getting the jobs for the different people. Clear, guys? Yes? Yeah. Yes. So this is what? And yeah, so what is data science? Skill of extracting knowledge from the data. So that means what? Understanding the data and how understanding those knowledge and how to predict the unknown. Imagine at what time you people came here exactly, tell me. Perfectly. 7 also? You came 7? Very good. Any more? 7:45. Okay. I'm not going to shout anything. I'm just asking. You can tell of your own time exactly. Tell me 7:35, 7:40. Some people 2 minutes, 1 minute late. What at what time I came here? 8. Okay. Now let's start thinking. Why the person came late here? Tell me what could be the reasons that I came late here? Wake up late. Okay, very good. Traffic jam. Okay. Any more?
Class schedules are late.
Okay. Okay. Any more? Maybe these people are not informed me earlier. Possible, na? Yeah. Wantedly came late. Very possible. Yeah. Very good. Excellent. Yes. Excellent. That's what the actual reason. Okay. Any more? Due to some other work. Okay. So what you're doing here? So you started thinking on me why the person came here late here. You are trying to analyze. How did you say this? Experience? No? Okay. Yeah, experience, definitely. All right. Our experience, or maybe some persons we told you, sir will come always late. Different, depends, right? Depends upon the person, faculty, all those, institute, all those matters. All right. So what are you trying to hear? You are trying to understand the person's behavior from the back end. Why it was happened? Why the person got delayed? What could be the reasons? So you can ask the questions like, sir, may I know the reason why you came late? Or you'll try to understand, sir, if I say a traffic jam was happened on that Balkampet road, something. So, sir, avoid that specific road. Better come from other road. We have a good route from some other place, some Sanatnar road. Imagine, if I come from the Begumpet, sir, better go. Don't go with the Begumpet on this time. Will be heavy traffic. better come from some other route. Yeah, this is better. So these are the specific reasons. So better if I say these people are not giving a call for me, so I came late. So better, sir, try to call by yourself. Don't wait for them. So these are the suggestions that you can make for me or not. So this is what a data scientist do. Analyzing the, understanding the problem, analyzing the things properly. What happened? Actually, the person came late. Based on that, giving a conclusion, suggestions. This is what exactly a data scientist. So that's what skill of extracting knowledge from the data, using knowledge to predict the unknown. So tomorrow, if the person comes 5 days late, what happens? Based on that, at what time the person come again tomorrow? That is what you are going to predict. Able to understand? If so and so factors are making his timings adjusted or problems, let's make it fix from your end. If you are not able to fix it, then definitely what could be the time estimation for tomorrow's? I mean, I just taken a small problem of our own class. So in the real time also, you are going to solve such a problems for some clients, not for your sake. You are getting the jobs, you are getting the money. So because what? You are solving some issues of some other industries. That is what your role. But the question is how we are doing all these things. Because always not the cases, the problems like coming late. There are several real-time problems issues will be there. When I am trying to assign a project to you in our company, I'm expecting a big result from you. The big result should give a good profit for me. Then only I will give a project for you. So your point of view is I try to understand what could be the project and what could be his expectations. Yeah, according to his expectations, are I am doing or not. Able to understand? That is what data science. Simply, I just said in simple words. To get that understanding, we should have a good practical knowledge, good technical knowledge, good analyzing things, analyzing thoughts. So those all things are should be developed. Clear, guys? So just analyzing like class late, it's not about the thing because we should have some proper proofs as well to say that yes, because of so and so reason, this person has got late. You should be able to show such proofs as well. So for those things, you should learn some statistical techniques or machine learning or any other things. Able to understand what I'm talking? Yes. Yes, understanding of mathematics, statistics, and computer programming. Why computer programming? Why statistics? Statistics is the point of discussing the problem, understanding the analyzing the things. So when I have a large amount of data, I can't check with a single operations, single things. I should have a proper, I should have computer skills as well where I can make it faster decisions. Because when I have data like 10 lakhs of data, 10 crores of data, this system doesn't have such capacity. Your phone memory is like 64 GB. Okay, but my data I received with 1000 GB. Now your systems, your phone memory will be not enough. So what you will do, you will try to take an updated system according to your requirement. Or else what you need to do? Yeah, you need to put up your photographs, folders, whatever the personal things that into some internet or OneDrive or pen drive or hard disk. That is how it happens. Able to understand, guys? So how the technology is getting developed? Earlier, all the industries in generally, the data whichever they are making generation of the internally. So those people, those things will be saved in hard disk. Once the hard disk is getting full, they will again keep out those hard disks, okay, and they will put those hard disks in the banks, and they will put a new hard disk here, and they will start working on the projects. That is what happens. Now what happens? So everything is getting cloud based. So what does it mean? Your data will be stored in somewhere in the internet. In the just 3 days back, did you hear the news in the newspaper, in an article? Amazon is going to start up a data centers in Hyderabad location. Somewhere around, I doesn't know exact location, but yes. So there are 3 buildings or some acres of area, okay, and their maintenance will be data center means what? all the cloud data will be stored in that specific data centers. If I made some search in the Google, immediately I'll get a response from where it is happening. Have you ever thought this? Yeah, it is connecting somewhere in the servers, which are several, I mean, somewhere on the miles of distance long, somewhere on the globe. So this thing is going to connect there, and the information what it will store in the server, and it will pull up and it will show you on the screen. That is what happens. The same kind of data centers is getting placed in Hyderabad too. You can imagine how much. I mean, why they are? I mean, where they are starting it? Yeah, the data is getting whatever the generator, the place, whatever they're maintaining is not enough now. Now people are getting demanding that we also need cloud based. We also need cloud based. So obviously, the jobs in AWS also getting higher. You would understand how the things. I mean, everything is getting connected. Where the data is generated. You would understand? Yes. So, in what ways? Yeah, there are many ways. These are the smallest things which I show you how the data is getting generated. Yeah. Now swipe card, how many ways, how many places that you are making use? Yeah, that you know, right? In which specific industries? Yes. You know, social media, e-commerce. Every day you are waking up and you are opening WhatsApp, Facebook. Yes, all these things. E-commerce. Before e-commerce, we always go for the mark. I mean, one specific shop, and we used to purchase him. He doesn't give any bill, and he happily will take everything in pocket and he will send you. Nowadays, things are become little bit strict. What happened? They are making computerized bills. Now we are also saying that yeah, I will pay only phone pay. Otherwise, I don't purchase. What happens? Yeah, instead of sending customer back, yeah, I'm ready to take. Right? If you go for the normal kirana store, also the people are like that. I used to give only cashless only. Until unless if the person like a this Idli Bandi center, they're also using this phone pays. But yes, I could understand because we need to make the data generate as a person. Where there is a chance of that, you also. I mean, how much of data is getting generated? Chances for highly people get the jobs. At the same time, you are helping to your India as well. Yes, you are making digital India. It's a good thing. Because every transaction to be connected to the government. That's how. Otherwise, people like employees. You are also going for an employer. Only employers are paying the right tax. I'm proud to say that. Right? Only employees are paying the right tax. Any businessman is not paying the right tax. Here, how many institutes we have here? Around 100. Only 10 or 12, 15 institutes will pay the right tax, including this. You would understand? Yes? Yeah. Come back. Yeah. So you know how much of credit cards, debit cards that we are using in malls and grocery stores. Nowadays, even for movie ticket also what we are doing? Book my show. Happily. Once I given my email ID, the Book my show will keep on give the reviews of the latest movies. Even I don't watch the movie also, they will keep on sending that messages. There was a new movie is getting released. Why they are doing? Because they understood that this person is habituated with Book my show. Yeah, if I try to send a SMS, chances that this person again book the tickets. If I have, I mean, if see, sending for 100 people doesn't matter for them. It's a very cheaper. But out of 100 people, 5 people, 10 people, if they purchase back the tickets, their business is done or not. That's how. Here also see. Maybe they will send thousands SMS for one shot. Okay, 30, 40 people will come at a time. Enough. 1000 SMS, it will charge 1500, but 30, 40 people, each person will give some 5,000 at least, depends upon the course. So business or not? You can imagine how much, this are digital transactions. Agree? Yes. So banking. 30 years back, how many banks we have? Only SBI, Andhra Bank. Now we have HDFC, ICICI, HSBC, Punjab National Bank, Karnataka Bank, Axis Bank, Kotak Mahindra. There are many banks, na? Some banks are gone away. That's all okay. Vijaya Bank and all those things. Krishi Bank, something is there. Yeah. So, but banking is banking, right? Either they are cheater or the good or something else. But yes. So you can imagine how many banks we have, how many customers are there, how much of transactions are happening. Yeah, it's a big business, right? Yeah, everything is getting recorded. I remember my childhood days when I'm 10 years of old. The person in the SBI bank will write the records on the books manually. But now what happened? Everything is computerized. Without computer, there is no offices. So when there is having a lot of computer, there is a highly data is generated. Imagine, right? Telecommunications. Yeah, one person, four. Minimum two. Agree? You can even imagine, right? Earlier we have only BSNL. Now except BSNL, everything is there. Right? Yes. And hospitals. Yeah. Again, the same story. 20 years back, only government hospital. Very rare case that will be registered in the even books as well. Now every place you have computers and connected. Yeah, the person when admits in the hospital, he will start. The receptionist will ask him, yeah, male, gender or female. By looking at the person also, she will ask again. Yeah, male, yes. Age, yeah, 30. Yeah, for what purpose? Fever. Yeah, pay the 500 first, consultant fee. Then forgo the doctor. After how much of medicines he is giving, then again the transaction, purchase history. If he admits, again the story will be different. Room charges, injection charges, the bandage charges, whatever the treatment, doctor, medicines, fluids, alcohols, whatever, I don't know, they will mix up, right? Different things they'll put up, and yeah, they'll pay. How much they'll do? At least 5,000 to 10,000. Yeah, so everything is getting recorded again. It's a business now, right? We can't say no. It's a business because maybe it's a business, but it is some people it's for their daily food, right? The people are working in that area is like labor, like, right? Yeah. Okay. All right. Hospitals and media. Media. Without having nowadays media, we don't do anything, right? Earlier we have only Doordarshan. Now how many channels we have? 500, 600 channels. If we repair, we don't have that remote also that many channels. If you keep on scrolling, it will take 1 hour to scroll all the channels for 1 minute. Of course, all the channels we are not looking, but possibility is there. So this is all it was connected with what? Satellite, digital, live channels that we are telecasting in YouTube, Facebook. Able to understand, guys? What happened? Yes. So all these are what? Data generation things on. You can imagine. Yes? Yeah. So how to make use of those data? So scientific process of converting raw data into knowledge and support what decision making. If my channel, my program is not much impressive, or people are not watching still, so what could be the reasons? What could be the reasons that behind that? Yes, people are not attracted. So again, it is a analysis. Yeah. So data science involves finding patterns. Imagine this person watch comedy and some action movies, and this person is watch comedy and some love stories. So what is the common element between these people? Comedy. So what YouTube will do? Yeah, he will try to understand that maybe the common element is there. Let's recommend the love stories to him and comedy action movies to him. Able to understand, because what here there is a common element, there is a pattern I could see. These are people, or this group people are will like same kind of movies. So why can't I suggest the other movies which is liked by him, the other movies which liked by him, by exchange things? That's how the YouTube recommendations will come. Able to follow what I'm talking? Yeah. Yes, this is all what. So how the YouTube search is doing? Yes, those are some. There's something. Concept is called recommendation engines. All right. Yes. So here, the goal of data science is to improve business, society, or personal performance by gaining knowledge from the data. Even if you put yourself, as I says, what could be the reasons that I got delayed or I failed in some subject? Question yourself, why did not get the job from the last 6 months, even if I'm going on the road? I would think ever like that. Start analyzing on yourself. I'm not saying, just think on yourself later. See, seriously, if I'm not able to do something, what could be the reasons that I am failure in that case? If India lost the match, what could be the reasons? You will You're the perfect predictors, right? That person should have played like that. Instead of making shot to the right side, he should have straightly shot. Then definitely we could have scored good. This person should not miss the catch. We are the actual persons. Analyze, yeah, sitting at the TV, sitting in the room and not looking at the TV. Able to understand, guys? Yes. So these are what analyzations, right? Yes. So if we also understand that, yeah, I am not done this. I should not done this kind of actions earlier. Maybe in the coming seasons, at least I need to cover up myself, right? Yes. So data science is moving decision making from gut feel, and guess estimates. So 95%, 98% that you are trying to predict the same thing. Yeah, don't say that 100% tomorrow we'll have a hot temperature. I don't know. Nowadays, from the 3 days, what happens? We got cooled. So tomorrow morning again, if we see rainy, we don't know. So tell, yeah, 96% or 98%. There are some chances that 2%, 3% may mismatch. All right, we are not gods, na? Yes. So after all, finally, we are just data scientists. We can give some clarity. Clear, guys? Yes, scientist. Scientist means what actually? You are researching something, and yeah, you are trying to take out information. You are going to experiment and say that yeah, this will definitely work. But 100% with all the people will work, may not sometimes. Sometimes when you go for the doctor, what happens? Even yeah, if the things are not cured, he will change the medicines. So if you think that the medicine is not effective on my body, then why did you suggest me? So that the person knows that 95% cases that this medicine will definitely work. There will be some chances that this person will not help to your body. You would understand? So yes, there are some cases maybe not fail. Clear what I'm talking? Yes. So here, this is how the process will be done. So you are going to collect the data from the client, raw data, and you are applying some pre-processing the data. There is a step, and you are preparing the data according to your requirement, and some applying machine learning algorithm. So what is this machine learning algorithm? You remember in your 9th class, 10th class mathematics, there is something called a straight line equation. What is the formula? Yeah, who said? Yeah, good. Y is equal to mx plus c. The same thing is what machine learning. Y is equal to mx plus c is telling me between x-axis and y-axis. Sorry, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Agree? So you are passing a straight line in that xy axis with how much of bend? I say straight line means what? Horizontally happen, vertically can be happen, and different ways. How much bend is required? That is what? Slope. Able to recall now? The forgotten mathematics. Yeah, data science is what? The same thing. A little bit of coordinate geometry, little bit of matrices, little bit of probability. It's a club of operations. I also understand why you feel weird in this place, because we don't know practical in our schools. We never heard from our teachers saying that yeah, this will be applied in so and so mechanism in the real time. I'm also came from the same kind of schools, right? Because our teachers will tell only the theoretical discussion which are in the textbooks, but they are not exposed with the right practical thing. So 98% of the schools are failure to prove the right way of explanation. It's our bad luck. All right? Yeah. So, but yes, if you understand those things at the beginning itself, now here the under data science understanding coming to the class is not required to actually. You will understand, guys? Yes, we are going to discuss. M is the slope. So that's a small thing I said y is called mx plus c. It's one of the machine learning algorithm. Like that, each different algorithm is also came from the mathematics and statistics. So for which problem, for which specific problem, which mathematical algorithm is applied so that I can get some solution to my client. That is what as a data scientist role you to do. Able to follow, guys? Able to follow? Yeah. So applying machine learning algorithm, and I will select 1 or 2 models or 3 models. Model means the equation y is equal to mx plus c kind of thing. Okay, and applying under real time to my client, and I will see how the prediction is going in the real time. How the prediction is going to the real time. Imagine after watching this, after completing this course, based on your attendance, based on your availability to the class, based on your practice, how much you are doing, efforts, I can get some understanding or not. 10 people are there. How many people are really enjoying the lesson, at the same time practicing the things when I say give some task and completing the task? So this all matters. So finally I can get some confidence. Yeah, so and so people are having highly chances to get the job. These people are not coming regularly. So chances are less for these people. In data science area I'm talking. You will understand? The same way in the real time also I will develop an algorithm which helps me to predict the facts. So your algorithm is how much is nearest to the real practical thing. That is what we are going to look. Imagine when you've done your academic year, finally what they will do? Annual exams they will conduct. So how much you prepared from the last 1 year, how much you understood, based on the score what you received, it will give an explanation for me. Yeah, if you score 80% I got, what does it mean? Okay, you made 80% well in the total exam. 90%, 70%, 50%. Based on the highest figure that I can give a right. So here also my algorithm gives how much of percentage. That is what we are going to look at. How much this thing will predict well. Able to understand, guys? Yeah. So like that. Yeah. This is what I'm talking about, the linear regression. This, what is this? M, xy axis. Yeah, y is equal to mx plus c. So how this line is connecting to the all the data points. That is what this thing. And there are some other techniques are there, classification. So here, if imagine here we have 10 people. Imagine there are a couple of people, females are there. So how should I recognize these people are female and these people are male? How should I recognize in general? Tell me. Looks wise, dressing sense wise, hairstyles, clips, voice, beard. These all things will makes me understand that yeah, these people are male, these people are female. So as a person, I'm able to understand because I'm a human, I can understand. But I want to do such a property in my machine that my machine also predict the same. That is what AI, artificial intelligence. Able to understand? So artificial intelligence, that means what? A machine developed by the human. A machine like human, it works like a human and it will give the same kind of thing how a human can do. But how the AI will be developed? So in what way that you are making it trained? So that it should identify that who are male and who are female. Able to understand, guys? Yeah, as I said, some characteristics like long hair, short hair, beard, all these things. So I will make understand my system. Yeah, you need to identify the so-and-so characteristics. If you found, yeah, the person is male, the person is female. Able to understand? That is what artificial intelligence, machine learning or whatever. You are making your system trained in a such a way that without my help, it should able to predict on their own. Clear? Clear? How the mobile game will work. So if I take any mobile game, so there will be some rules and regulations. If you go to the left side, you will die. You need to go with the straight only. You should not move to the right side. If I take some mobile game, that's how the rules. So how those rules will be generated? That is what completely AI, advanced theory. Again, continue from the machine learning. Clear? Yeah, these are the different things. Let's go with the next one. Any questions up to now? There are many stories out there we can still discuss. Yeah, applications. So in which areas data science is getting, in which kind of industries? So banking, financial services, healthcare, retail. Yeah. So there are other industries, like all the industries. That's what I said at the beginning. Where there is the internet, there is a lot of data is getting generated. Where there is a lot of data is generated, there is a highly chances that they are going to recruit a data scientist as well. So you can imagine, yes. So all these industries. Have you observed in the recent times IRCTC website? What change that you have seen when you're trying to book a ticket?
New trains availability.
Appearance of what? Not appearance.
Any new train availability.
No.
Alternative.
If I want to book a ticket on 20th February from Hyderabad to some Mumbai, so it will ask the confirmation status. Did you look or not? One second. Yeah. Seems you are not aware. This charging is going somewhere. Wait. Wait a minute. It's a practical real-time application that you will see now. So when I'm making Mumbai something, automatically there's a drop-down box. It is appear and it was looking for the most recent. I mean, yeah, nearest word. It is also a kind of NLP application, natural language process application. Okay. And date. Even the Google search, when I'm trying to Google search, what happens in the recent? IRCTC. So there are several things are related to the IRCTC which is trying to show. It is an application again, NLP on. Okay, I will tell you these things. It is not open. It is there, na? Yes. Oh, yes. And not given the properly, na? Yeah, it should work. Yes. Yeah, so check availability are free. So what it is asking? Confirmation probability. So let's click on it. Oh, these are things. Okay, wait. E9B9C. Yeah, let's click on it. So what it is saying that? Yeah, there is a chances that your ticket will confirmed through RAC with 79%. So how it is getting calculated at the? So I'm asking about 20th February, which has not happened. Okay, but it is saying that 79% chances that your tickets get confirmed with RAC. If I take March 20th, maybe confirmation it will try to show you. The more long it will go, the chances are higher. The more nearest if you go, chances becomes lower. How it is getting calculated? Now start imagine the things. Yes, IRCTC started somewhere around 2005 or 6. So there is a transaction history has happened from the last 14 years. Okay, so if I ticket at this moment on 30th February for the date on 20th February, between one train to other train with a specific train. Sorry, between one station to other station with a specific train. So how many tickets are confirmed in the last 14 years history? So it will check those things based on the total, how many tickets are confirmed between one week gap. Based on that, it's getting calculated. Is it understanding what I'm talking? So based on the previous history, on Wednesdays, chances are high that tickets may confirm. If I take like Saturday, chances become low again. Depends upon the days. Depends upon the trains as well. You would understand, guys? Depends on the station to station as well.
Time also.
Yeah, time also. So all these all matters. Is it a festival movement time or a normal movement? That is also matters. So all these are what different factors which are involved at the back end and calculating those things, and it's showing you. So how it was happened, how the IRCTC website is updated? Because they are also known that, yeah, from the last 10 years, we got a lot of data. How can we make it? That's why they are updated with some probability technique. Clear, guys? Yes? Let me show you some more things. So in the recent times, this is the step by step. I'll tell you this one later. Until just, yeah, these are the comments that people are given. The famous persons, you all know. Yeah, this is Facebook person, Mark. Okay, yeah, machine learning is not important, but essential to Facebook's existence. Essential means what? Important thing. It is working at the back end to get developed my Facebook. Yeah. Similarly, who is this? Nadella. Yeah. What is saying? Artificial intelligence and machine learning will lead to ultimate breakthroughs. Okay. And this person, Amazon owner, something Jeff. Yes. So we are solving problems with machine learning and AI. That's where in the realm of science fiction for the last several decades. All right. Yes. Google. Yeah, we are moving from a mobile first world to AI first world. What does it mean? Now, mobile first means what? Without mobile, you are not even moving from one place to other place. That's how mobile connected we are, people, right? The same thing. So going forward, you are going to connect with AI everywhere.
Assistant, Google Assistant.
Yes. Yeah, Google Assistant is an AI related. That movie, what? Which movie is that? Radha the Great. The person, how he will handle? If he is also blind, right? The person, he is blind, but he will handle in the situation. It's a movie. Don't imitate, but yeah, you can imagine the things. There are some IBM company or some other company, Samsung, I guess. They have developed an app respectively for only the blind people. Sometime long back, I had seen that. Yeah. So this app will keeps on helping them to identify the objects without having stick. Also, he can make yeah, to take left or right directions. Yes, just like your self-driving car. Self-driving car is doing what? Without driver, car can run. Able to understand? So you can imagine that those are things. Yes, yes. So this person, yeah, in UAE, they are conducted as artificial intelligence minister. So there is a minister only for AI development. You can imagine. Yes, in Dubai, these people are started from the long time research. They are now what they are treating is without doctor help. Why can't we make a operation as well? So the AI will stand, okay, and other people will, other doctors will stand behind AI, and then AI will start during the cancer treatment. That's what happens. Yes. You might be heard about these things in newspapers. Yeah. So how many, any rangalalo, any jobs, these things. Yeah, IT and services, computer software, internet, financial services, hospital, healthcare, research, education management, accounting, management, counseling, IT, e-learning, food and beverages, marketing, advertisement, food and beverages, online food. How much people are now, yeah, regular customer. Yeah. Nowadays, people are habituated with, instead of going for a hotel and purchasing the things, yeah, we'll make him call, he will come on time.
Smart towns also.
Yes. Habituated, we people are habituated with the latest one. Is it good or bad? What kind of food they are sending? That's the second case. Let's have some fun and entertain. Agree? Yes. Yes. Industrial automation, electrical and electronic manufacturing, computer and network security, outsourcing, all this. Okay? Yes. So artificial intelligence research hub to come up in Hyderabad. So at what date this was mentioned? Yeah, you can look out here. January 2nd, 2020. So why this person is mentioned, that Economic Times is mentioned? So they want to launch this specific course, only AI related course in the IIIT, IIT field. Now I think in this 2020 also, all the JNT syllabus or OU syllabus will be recovered with a new branch adding of AI. So only 3 years, 4 years, you will learn only AI related syllabus. It's not just with the one semester and one paper. The 4 years you are going to learn these things. Now, whatever the people IT, CSC who are from the BTech, if you don't get the job within the next 3 to 4 years, those people will, yes, you can imagine, they will get the jobs because industries expect what? Latest technologies, experienced people who are much involved than that theory. So they will believe that 3-4 years this person has learned AI means definitely they will have a good knowledge. If you say I learned only from 3 months from some institution, they don't give an opportunity, right? So it's a time to get the opportunity as soon as possible. After that, you don't have to do nothing. Okay? Yes, it's a thing. You even in national level also, this RBI, they are planning to start a AI research center. Okay, and to apply those things in the financial status, Indian economic status. At what specific time, what do you say? What decisions to be taken? Like imagine now, what is the latest one? China Corona. So how it is impacting on our products now? There's a lot of imports are getting stopped. Do you know that? Yes. So there are a lot of manufacturings also get stopped in China itself. Because of Corona, people are stopped working and sitting calmly inside. That's it. Not roaming on the road until unless, yeah, if it is really required, then they will keep him sending on the road. Otherwise, they're sitting calmly inside. There was a rumor also spread over that officially people who are getting this virus now, officially doctors are killing the people. I don't know how much it is true, but yes, officially it is decided that the people, because if I try to treat him, yeah, my nurse and sisters, all the people who are around him are getting infected. So you can imagine how much fast it is happening. Yes. So because of this, what happens? There is a large amount of production development will be impact on the economic status on India. I mean, China or not. Parallelly, it will infect. So it will apply on the other countries which is depending on China products or not. Imagine you are using a, what is that phone? Xiaomi. Yeah, and your some parts are problem. So you need to import the products from there. So what you will do? You will wait or you will go for the new product. See, if we don't get the right product, what happens? We are not able to take the duplicate product. We'll throw it the phone and we'll take the new phone, which is again what? All the products from the China only, na? China. What you will take now? Huh? Go with the landline best. BSNL again. Yes, imagine. I mean, how it is impacting first one. Yeah. So these are the practical situations. So yeah, so my AI lab also want to predict those things in which area I need to be strong at that moment. If something is happened wrongly, if something is happening, like if I mean, how do you say, to improve the my business standards or my economic standards. For what reasons? For what specific things which is happening around the world, which increases my economy in India, those situations also to be handled, right? Yes. Yeah, this was the recent one, latest one. Yes, goal is to tap into artificial intelligence for crowd management. Where it is happened? Only those? I have taken this paper cuttings. Yes. Record here. This application will help us in estimation of the size of the crowd. For examples, in the events like Medaram Jatara. Yes, it is getting applied. That means what? All the police, yes, environment, those, they want to look out the through CC cameras and they want to try to estimate, yeah, in which specific direction we need to people divert their places and all those things. Depends upon the situation. Yes, just read up. The startup would have developed an application which, by using CCTV footage, would ascertain density of the crowd at different public events. The application would be developed by using AI. Based on the analysis of the population gathering, the security personnel would get alerts. Okay? Yeah, so that they could take right decisions to manage the crowd in a better manner and avoid stampede and other chaotic situations. So this application was tested during the recently held India West Indies T20 International at Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium matches. These are the real thing, practical applications that is happening in the real. I mean, around us, not somewhere. I'm not talking about some other. Yes. Now I can imagine how the things are getting impacted on the live scenarios. Clear, guys? So, any more questions? Like this, I keep on discussing. Many things are there. Many things are there. Yeah, AI beats doctors at breast cancer detection. So, to identify that the person is containing a breast cancer or not, so sometimes my doctor gets failed, but AI not gets failed. That's what the meaning. AI beats doctors at breast cancer detection. That is what the meaning. If you read about article, completely you will get to know. So how these persons are checked. Is AI is better curing or doctor is better curing? So these are the numbers and percentage. Wrong, false positives, right positives, true positives, or these are terminology related to the something called logistic regression in our syllabus. Yeah, so this terminology about talking about false positives, false negatives, we'll discuss in the coming classes. Yes. Any more questions? So yeah, there's a comment. Yeah, all the developers says that AI is intended to help doctors, not to replace them. Experts says that eventually computers alone will read some mammograms without human help. That means it will try to scan. It will try to scan and it will try to predict the person is having any issues or not having any issues. Now what happens? All the radiologists, if you take some bone X-ray, the radiologist will take up onto the light and record, yeah, you have some issues. This is better cure with this. So now going forward, what happens? If you scan that's on somewhere on the before AI, it will read up, yeah, what precautions to be taken. Is it good or not good? If not good, what to be taken? So everything will develop by your program. That's how the things are going to come. Clear? Yes. Any more questions, guys? So going forward, you will get a call from someone saying that, yeah, may you know, please, you will tell your details. And yeah, what is your experience? You will tell. What your skills you learn, you will say all these things. So everything will be, yeah, handled by some person. So the call gets stopped. You will think that you are talking with a person, but actually, yeah, it's an AI application that, yeah, you are talking with a person. So it is getting applied in Cognizant company, believe it or not. One of my students is working in the live stream there. Yeah, so she lost the job in the Cognizant because of so and so reasons. The same issues, you know how the Cognizant is sent the thousands of people, and she is immediately came to here, my place, and she started learning within the 2-3 months only, still under learning stage only. She is trying internally again, and they got she got selected there within the company premises. So what they are asked, yeah, do you have an experience? So she said, I'm learning of this so and so. And I'll try to ask some questions related to it. So she's given good answers, so automatically selected. So after that, she told me that, yeah, we are making such an app processing the resumes from the Naukri database. So what does it mean? So let's imagine I need to recruit a person with 4 years of experience in data scientist. So there are a lot of resumes are in the Naukri. So the HR should call everyone and ask for, are you interested or not? Are you interested or not? If interested, I can take the information. So how much of process from the 1,000 resumes? So it is a big headache. That's why when you get a call for the first time, for the next round, you will get a call after 15 days. Because after, along with you, there are several applicants are there. I need to process and I need to filter out one by one. So it is a big time wasting for HR. Now HR is getting applied this thing. So what happens? So within one day, my human intelligence will take care of those first screening test. Of 1,000 resumes, it will take up only 10 resumes selected. Okay, and it will give to that my second interview process. Now HR will feel happy. Yes, my first round is done. Now it will take for the second round, and it will take technical or whatever, written test or whatever, oral, whatever. Able to understand this? Yes, this is also going to happen because every year you are getting a lot of graduates. Obviously, your Naukri database also will not be sufficient. You can imagine lakhs of people are coming out, even only from Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. If you go Kerala, Maharashtra, Bangalore, Delhi, rather than people getting jobs, unemployment guys, the percentage is higher, like population growth. Agree? Yes. Yeah. Any questions, guys? So this is what I said about the data science and the real-time applications. Okay. Tomorrow I will explain how the project is started and what is your role, what are the types of roles, okay, and how the project will be started and what are the different kinds of phases that you need to do, where your machine learning will work, where data pre-processing will be done, okay, and what conclusions will be taken. So the structure I just showed with one page. I should not divert myself from there. So I just shown you, but each and every point will be detailed explained on our second class tomorrow. Okay. Hope you enjoyed the session. Yeah, you can ask me any questions related to if you have anything. How you feel? Interesting, boring, sleeping? Say frankly. If you say sleeping, then I need to start analyzing myself where I have made wrong. Yeah. Feedback gives me update myself. Right? Yeah. Based on your expectations, I will try to put some more examples or any things going forward. Even after the class, regular basis, sir, we are expecting some more little bit like this. So based on that, I will start up mold myself. That is how I train myself. The same thing you are also making trained to your system as well. That is what machine learning. Yes. Any more questions? Which company you are working? ITEL? Intelligence. Just like intelligence. Okay. Yeah. So where it is, Madhapur? Okay. Okay. All right. No issues. Just let me stop this.